All right, let's dive into the world of automotive protection, where we're pitting two heavyweights against each other: paint protection film, or PPF, and ceramic coating. Both are designed to keep your ride looking fresh and fierce, but they each have their unique flair, benefits, and ideal customers. So buckle up, because we're about to break it down. First off, let's talk about what each of these products really is. Paint protection film is like a superhero cape for your car's paint. It's a clear, durable film that's applied to the surface, acting as a shield against scratches, chips, and environmental damage. Think of it as an invisible barrier that keeps your paint job pristine. On the other hand, ceramic coating is more like a magic potion that bonds to your vehicle's paint, creating a protective layer that repels water, dirt, and grime. It's all about that hydrophobic goodness, making your car easier to clean and maintain. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of their differences. PPF is thicker and more robust, which means it can take a beating. If you're someone who's always hitting the back roads or parking in tight spots, PPF is your best friend. It's designed to absorb impact, so those pesky little stones and road debris won't leave their mark on your vehicle. Plus, it self-heals from minor scratches, which is pretty amazing if you ask me. Ceramic coating, while not as thick, has its own set of superpowers. It's all about that long-lasting shine and protection against UV rays, oxidation, and chemical stains. If you're a car enthusiast who loves to keep your ride looking showroom-ready, ceramic coating will give you that glossy finish that turns heads. It's like giving your car a permanent wax job, but with way more durability. However, it's important to note that ceramic coating doesn't protect against physical damage like PPF does. So, if you're in a high-risk environment, you might want to think twice. Now, when it comes to selling these products to your customers, understanding their lifestyle and vehicle usage is key. If your client is a daily commuter who parks in the city, they might benefit more from PPF. It's all about protecting that investment from everyday wear and tear. On the flip side, if you're dealing with a weekend warrior who loves to show off their ride at car meets, ceramic coating could be the way to go. It'll keep their paint looking slick and shiny while providing decent protection against the elements. And let's not forget about the price point. PPF is generally more expensive to install because of the material and the labor involved. It's an investment, but for those who want the ultimate protection, it's worth every penny. Ceramic coating is usually more budget-friendly and can be a great upsell for clients who want an easy-to-maintain option but aren't ready to commit to PPF. So, which is better? Well, that really depends on the client's needs. If they're looking for maximum protection against physical damage, PPF is the clear winner. But if they want that high-gloss finish and ease of cleaning, ceramic coating is the way to go. Ultimately, it's about educating your customers and helping them make informed decisions. Ask questions about their driving habits, how they use their vehicle, and what their priorities are. By doing this, you can tailor your recommendations to fit their lifestyle, which not only builds trust, but also enhances your credibility as an installer. In the end, whether it's PPF or ceramic coating, both products have their merits. It's all about finding the right fit for each customer. So, gear up, get informed, and let's help everyone keep their rides looking as fresh as the day they drove them off the lot.